Dude, I got 10 movement speed items. I'm fucking fast, son. This is all I ever wanted. This is all I ever wanted. Here, I'll be there in a second. Literally. Look at me go.
Oh my god.
Dude, I could buy fucking 20 more if I wanted. So, I'm totally... You know what? I'm gonna go back and get more. It's a 3D printer for the movement speed item.
Oh.
I'm just gonna keep doing it. Let's see how many I can get. Alright. Okay, I think that's fast enough. This is pretty fucking gnarly, dude.
I'm definitely up close and personal.
Fucking moment's notice. Look, watch. I'll literally run circles around you. I can run the whole map in like fucking 3 seconds. I'm gonna go get more. Dude, I don't even care. Yo, you might want to do this too. This is awesome. I'm gonna get 20 and then I'll be okay. I don't care what I'm losing. I can't be losing anything important because movement speed is the most important. To me. Oh my god! I'm so fast. If I hit the wrong button, I'll go too far past this. Meow! Meow! You stole it from me. I was too fast to get it. Here, heads up. Heads up. The amount of different shit you can actually do if you end up with a 3D printer. Oh my god. This is amazing. I'm gonna get more.
Oh my god.
I can't even pick them up!
Oh, hello.
Oh, out of here. 26. 27. Let me get 30 and all, and then I'll be done. Did you activate it?
No. You have to pick up your item.
I gotta get one more after this. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, we got 30. Okay, here, let me pick it up. Holy shit, Joel. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this shit. I'm so fast that when I leap off of objects, I take fall damage from landing. This is so ridiculous. No.
Imagine if I had that.
Dude,
Because my movement ability does more damage the faster I go.
You should be doing this right now. Dude, I keep knocking myself so high in the air that I go invisible because I take high damage. That's where I'm at. First round stuffs. Oh god, I fell off the map! I was too fast. Okay, I'm gonna get us to the next spot. Well, my getaway plan is fucking foolproof. Maybe. Oh my god, dude. This fall damage is fucking brutal. I hit shift and I literally fly.